So a while back in a gaming video I did for the Pixel 3a XL, I didn't play PUBG, and a lot of you guys wanted me to play PUBG, and I said, I don't know how to play PUBG. And there was one particular comment that said, it really doesn't matter that you don't know how to play it, we just want to see it run on the phone. So I've cleared out all the apps here, and I've downloaded PUBG on the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, so I'm going to launch these here. These have never been launched. I just finished downloading them. I'm going to show you how the game runs on this phone, but also how it runs on this phone as well. And a lot of you guys want me to leave the sound on, and I'll leave the sound on while I play this game. I've attempted to play it before, but I just couldn't figure it out. So but I'm not going to be like that. I'm going to go ahead and play this game. We're going to do this update. I guess I'll go ahead and put it like this now, since it's wanting to see there. So it's downloading some more files, obviously. And again, I don't know anything about this game. I only tried to play it one time. It was way out of my league because I don't game. And I'm going to do it specifically in this particular video. This is only for PUBG. All right, update finished. And let's launch it again. Looks like it's ready to be launched again. Now remember, this has a Snapdragon 670 and this has a Snapdragon 845. This is the Pixel 3. This is the Pixel 3a XL. So it looks like once they get to loading, the 3a XL really starts to push forward and load the game and catch up to the Pixel 3. And I'm not hitting them at the same time, but these are just the games trying to start. I don't know what this is. Let's go more. Oh, guest. Okay, I agree. Because I don't have any of those Facebook things. Okay. And so it's loading. And you can see here how it's doing. Wow, this is so inappropriate. I don't even... Okay, let's just pick a person. Let's put some clothes on her for one. All right, create. Oh, the name. What does it say you got to do? Oh, you can change it to a guy. Okay. Yeah. All right. So enter a name. All right. Pixel 3. Create. Name is already taken. Okay. Pixel 3 wheel. All right, and this one's going to be Pixel 3a XL wheel. The vibration motor on this thing is ridiculous. Looks like Pixel 3a XL was not taken. So I'm a rookie and got it here. I don't know what this is. Tap to collect. Okay. Got it. Okay. Got it. I'm just going along right here, as you can see. This is... All right, I guess I can X out of these. Yeah. I just want to play the game. All right, so first, we're going to start. Now, I'm not going to change any settings here in the Pixel 3. I want to play on here first, and then you can gauge some sense of how this is going to play. So let's crank the sound up. You can see where I have the volume. And let's start. It says matching. I don't know what it's doing, but it wants me to click inventory. Okay. Let's just go. Now remember, this is the Pixel 3 Snapdragon 845. It's loading. What the heck? All right, so. All right. Tap throwables. Okay, so I got throwables. I got 10 throwables. All right, so I don't have a gun, I guess. That's how you jump. What was it? A little thing popped up here. Match in 20 seconds. Looks like there's a fist over here and a fist over here. Okay. Match starts in 14 seconds. Okay, so I'm swimming now. This is crazy. All right, so you steer, I guess. I guess the purpose of me doing this is to show how it looks. Somebody follow me, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Can you shoot or what happens? All right. Cool graphics. Looks cool. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here again, folks. So, I don't know. There's another player in the cabin. I don't know what this is. I'll try to just do the same thing on this phone that I'm doing on here. So you just look at the screen or whatever you're supposed to be looking at. Okay. I'm following people, I guess. Okay, so finally got something going here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, but we're going to keep going here. Is someone going to pull the chute, or is he going to do it automatically, or what's getting ready to happen? Oh, there's some people. All right, so I guess the chute opened automatically. I'm naked. Everybody else got on clothes. There's some people. It looks like they got guns and stuff, man. All right. Well, okay. So ultimately, you're just looking at frame rate, I guess, and how the phone's playing on here. Something happened. A thing keeps popping up there. I'm running through the forest naked. All right. This is weird. Hey, they're shooting. What am I supposed to be doing? I don't know. I wish I had some clothes. Maybe I was supposed to get clothes before I went out here. I don't know. But, yeah. I'm definitely probably going to die soon. Got skills, though, son. All right, so. Oh, this is how you look around. Look at his neck, man. That's crazy, man. All right, let's go up here. How do you turn to go up there? Hey, oh, somebody's shooting me. Oh, wow. I guess I'm gonna run to the house. And again, I'm just playing this so you guys can see the graphics and how it's gonna play. You already seen it on the Pixel 3, probably. But let's get out of here. And how do you stop this thing? All right, so you saw how it plays on the Pixel 3. Now, let's go to the Pixel 3a XL. So I guess I should put some clothes on, really. Or if I could, can you do that? No. I don't know. I don't even know what this is, man. Let me just get out of here because I have no clue what I'm doing. All right. I'm just going to do it the same way I just did. And I'll probably drop down. So more importantly from that, I hope you gathered how smooth it is on here. Now we're just going to see what it looks like on here. All right. right, I think I ran this way too. Ran around here, then I went through here. Looks like it plays perfectly fine on here. Punching. It says tap to drag is sending quick something. I don't know what that's at. All right, so let's run. And I think I'm going off this water and go swim. It looks to be fine to me. Even I don't know what the heck I'm doing. All right, there's people talking. Hey, those are real people talking, looks like.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Well, I guess it's real. This game is real time or something. Players in the cabin. Oh, and you hit the parachute over. I guess since I didn't hit the parachute quick enough last time. It opened on its own. Yeah, I guess it did it on its own. So, this is the parachute, me going down back into the jungle naked with no shoes on and no gun. For what I can tell, the frame rate, everything, again, I didn't adjust anything. It looks fine, man. All right, I'm naked again. You can find items in buildings. This is weird. He's looking down only, or I'm looking at it from the top or something. I wish I could wait. There's a way I could see other stuff. That's the view I like right there. So you have to go into buildings and find stuff. I'm out here in the hayfield. I don't know, folks. I think this game is playing perfectly fine. Looks like somebody just shot me. Your teammate knocked out something. I don't know. I didn't even know I was on a team. All right, so there's some buildings over there. I actually have these PUBG controllers that I just never used because I don't play the game. And it just didn't work out for it, brother. All right, so I'm running across the street. Naked. Are there clothes in this building? Wait, how do you go? How do you go back? Like, how do you... I'm walking backwards. I want to go in there. How do I get in there? I don't know. Folks, you can see how this game plays. Honestly, somebody just shot me in the shoulder. I don't see any difference in the quality of what that game is playing on this phone or this phone. So for the people that said that you need to play it even though you don't play it, I respect your opinion. So I just played a full video of just PUBG only. Again, I don't know what I'm doing there. I've heard people say this game is actually a console game because it does say PUBG Mobile. Yeah, there you have it, man. PUBG on the 3A XL. And I brought the Pixel 3 in because I want you to gauge some sense of the Snapdragon 845 and how smooth it is and how smooth it is on the 670. So personally, I've said it many times. This phone is very capable. If it can play, this is supposed to be like a real graphic intense game, even though I wasn't doing very well, didn't know what I was doing. This is supposed to be a real graphic intense game. I didn't see any frame rate drops or anything like that. I thought it ran just as smooth. Loading times were sometimes a little bit quicker on this one. That's why I give you the full video. So all questions can be answered. I guess that I don't know. If I was supposed to go into settings and change something, I just played them as is. You can see fresh off a download. So for those that wanted to see PUBG running on the 3A XL, there you go. It's your man Jay. I'm out.